Ever wondered how average-looking guys manage to attract the hottest women? It's not about looks, it's all about skills. By the time this video wraps up, you'll have mastered the techniques that can make any girl addicted to you. Let's jump right. In number 9, speak less. Listen, speak less more. Here's a simple trick for your dates. Talk less. Listen more. Most guys go on and on about themselves, not giving her a chance to speak. That's not how you win her over instead. Let her do the talking. Really listen to her, it's something most guys overlook. Ever seen a regular-looking guy with a stunning woman? Chances are he's great at listening, so ask questions and genuinely engage. Don't just nod, show with your whole body that you're interested in her story. This sets you apart from other guys and makes her excited to be around you. Number 8. Play it cool. When play it cool, you're chatting with a girl and she seems interested. Don't give her all your attention right away. Ignore her just a bit. This might sound odd, but it works when someone doesn't get all your attention. They often try harder to get it back. Think of it like enjoying a great meal, but not finishing it. You leave her wanting more. Try not talking to her for a few days, and see what happens if she asks if something's wrong. That's your sign that she's interested. It's a subtle trick, but it's very effective. Number 7. Show you have. Show you have options. Options. Don't just zero in on one girl. Even if you think she's perfect to get her attention, you need a different approach. Start by focusing on her, then gradually turn your attention to other women. This isn't about being mean. It's about showing her that you have options. Experts say a little bit of jealousy can really grab someone's interest. So change your routine chat with other girls, ESP especially when she's around. Watch how she reacts. If she gets a little upset or her tone changes, it's a sign she's interested. It's bold, but it can give you a good read on her feelings. Number 6. End conversations on end conversations. On a high note. A high note leave conversations while they're still engaging. Why do people get hooked on things like gambling? It's because they always want more of that high. You can use the same principle when talking to a girl. When the conversation is going great, cut it off at the peak. It leaves her craving more, eager for the next chat. You'll become like a good habit, something she can't shake. So remember, always end on a high. It's a surefire way to make her look forward to your next conversation. Number 5, the 3-minute theory minute. Theory, this is pure gold, the 3-minute theory. Psychologists have found that the more familiar someone becomes with you, the more likely they are to develop feelings. So how do you build that familiarity in just 3 minutes? Here's the secret. People love hearing their own name when you're talking to a girl and she tells you her name. Use it naturally 3 times within those first 3 minutes. It works like a charm to build a connection. Just don't overdo it. Use her name too much, and it gets weird. Practice this and watch how it boosts your appeal. Number 4, the power of a slight. The power of a slight smile. Smile facial expressions are a huge part of communication. In fact, 70% of what we communicate comes from body language. So when you're with a girl, make sure to have a slight smile, not a big cheesy grin, just a subtle one. It makes a world of difference in how she sees you. A little smile makes you come across as approachable and fun. Without it, the conversation might feel flat. That small adjustment can make your interactions much more engaging. Building familiarity. Number 3. Building familiarity. Familiarity is key in making a woman addicted to your presence. One of the best ways to do this is through compliments. Complimenting someone boosts their confidence and leaves a lasting impression when you're out and about. Notice the little details. For example, if a girl is wearing jewelry, compliment her on it. Women put thought into their jewelry, just like their outfits, and acknowledging these small things can make you stand out. It takes practice, but with time, you'll master it. Familiarity is your ticket to becoming unforgettable. Number 2, choosing the right subject. Right subject, you've landed the date now. It's time to avoid making mistakes when you're out with her. Choose your topics wisely. Stick to subjects you both agree on. Disagreeing too much can kill the vibe quickly. Also, don't try to impress her with over-the-top stories or by showing off. It's not about being the smartest or strongest guy in the room. Keep it real and relatable, and you'll make a much better impression. Number 1, appropriate gifts. Appropriate gifts. When it comes to giving gifts, it's all about balance. If you've just met a girl and you're going on a first date, keep it simple. A small bouquet of flowers can work wonders. It's thoughtful without being overwhelming. Avoid extravagant gifts like chocolates or luxury items, as they might make her feel pressured. Your goal is to impress her with your care, not to overwhelm her if she doesn't reciprocate. Don't worry, stay confident. The social skills you're learning will make you irresistible to the right woman. Stay positive and remember, there's someone out there who will love spending time with you. If you've taken in all this advice, drop a comment below with 100%. And for more great content, check out our next recommended video. Thanks for watching.